This is a speed test between the iPhone 14 Pro Max versus the OnePlus 10T. Now the iPhone 14 Pro Max has the A16 Bionic chip with 6 gigs of RAM on its latest version of iOS 16.0.1. The OnePlus 10T has the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. This particular phone has 16 gigs of RAM on Android 12 on its latest version of Oxygen OS 12.1. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. iPhone 14 Pro Max versus OnePlus 10T speed test. Ooh. iPhone is super quick on the boot up, but I'd have to say the OnePlus 10T is not that far behind. Very nice. And we are in. I'm going to swipe over here. These are the apps I'm going to be using for this speed test. I'm gonna do this on the iPhone. There is nothing in the background, and do this. On the OnePlus 10T, no recent tasks. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. Let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. OnePlus 10T did have this animation, so you guys are the judges. Messages. Very close again, the OnePlus with the animation. Camera. And let's go. Very close, maybe the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments. Clock on both phones. Very close. Let's go ahead and start up the stopwatch. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Ooh, very close. Do my quick calculation, leave it right there. App Store and Play Store. Ooh, I'm gonna give that to the OnePlus 10T. Gonna go ahead and just click on random game here. Leave it there. Amazon. Faster on the 10T. Go ahead and click on this. Ooh, iPhone's faster on that one though, but we'll leave it right there. eBay. Let's see, ooh, OnePlus 10T, super quick. We'll go ahead and click on this laptop. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Ooh, iPhone, nice and quick. Subway Surf. iPhone, nice and quick here as well. We'll tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Logging in on both phones. Let's see what happens here. iPhone out in front. Will the OnePlus 10T catch up? Let's find out in a second or two. And we'll give the win to the iPhone 14 Pro Max on this one. MC5. I'm gonna try to time this correctly.
3 weeks ago, the World Liberation Army launched a cyber attack on several Asian.
Both are extracting files. And the iPhone faster on this. Now I know that wasn't at the same time, so you guys take it for what it's worth. I'm gonna tap to continue. Of course, we do have PUBG. Hearing noise from the iPhone first. iPhone is loading, and the iPhone is super fast. And the OnePlus 10T here, honestly, it's not that far behind. I mean, it's right there. IG. Faster on the 10T. Snapchat. Again, faster on the 10T. We do have Safari and Chrome browsers. I'm gonna go ahead and do a search for A7S3. Actually, let's just do a search for Aussie Bytes. Kind of mistyped that, but there we go, Aussie Bytes. Go. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do a image search. See, let's go ahead and click on this one. That looks really good right now, like a quick snack. This one. As you can see, the web browsing here is pretty quick. I'm gonna scroll. See more, both nice and fast. I'm gonna try to do some fast scrolling here. Nice and fast on the 10T with its fast display, and do the same thing here on the iPhone. Ooh, as you can see, it's loading some images there. Same thing on the 10T. It's loading. Let's see how long this takes. Now this might be dependent on Wi-Fi too, so take it for what it is, right? But everyday usage, let's say if you were browsing images, you know, this is what you expect. Okay, taking a while, so I'm just gonna scroll. Click on this. Whoops, that wasn't at the same time. Come on, iPhone. I've noticed about the iPhone 14 Pro Max, sometimes it doesn't respond right away to my touch. I don't know if it's just me. Anyway, enough of the browsing. Let's go ahead and check the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. Now the one thing I will say about Oxygen OS, I like the row of icons down here on the app switching. That's pretty cool, but we'll go ahead and run through these apps again and have a look for any lags or, you know, any stutters. We'll take a note of. The PUBG, good to go. And then we do have the MC5. Both are reconnecting to the game. There you go. You can resume. Nice and fast. Angry Birds 2. Nice and fast on both phones. Subway Surf. You can resume. A couple seconds and you're playing. Mario Run. Mario Time on both. eBay. Same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store and App Store, again the same place. Calculator, no lag on either phone, really. Clock, still running the stopwatch. I've never seen this reload ever. Camera, and let's go. Ooh, that was super fast on the 10T. Messages, about the same. And finally, the phone app. Boom. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. My fellow Aishi, are you rocking iPhone 14 Pro Max? Do you find the dynamic island interesting? Let me know in the comments. Or are you on Team OnePlus, rocking your OnePlus 10T? Now let me know in the comments below how you feel about OnePlus removing the alert slider on this phone. Let me know your thoughts on this matchup in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.